So this is STM32 uh, driving this LCD screen. So this is showing the uptime of the system, which is 7 hours 47 minutes and 29 seconds. So and then this is the internal temperature sensor voltage, and then we have its uh, well the temperature in degree Celsius. So the first two digits from the left are the most significant bit of the degree. So and then this is, so if we could place a decimal, so here is the decimal symbol. So it's 30 degree 46 millidegree, I guess. So it's, so it is same, it takes first reading here, and then after that it is taking the second reading over here. So it is not precise, but it gives you a rough idea of the processor's temperature, मतलब semiconductor's temperature, the silicon temperature. So you can make adjustment. So I'm right now measuring the ambient temperature, so it has an effect on that also. So how it works is like this. So the system boots up and then calibrates itself, and initializes all the parameters, system and then LCD screen, and then it displays the information and then goes back into the sleep. So and if I press the wake up button over here, so here are two buttons, key first and second. If I press the bottom button, the system then restarts and it toggles the LCD screen backlight to on and off. So I have just or turned off the LCD, and then if I repress this, then the LCD comes on and you can see the updated values. So of the this time value comes from the internal RTC. So RTC does not stop, uh, and then each time it wakes up, it recalibrates the ADC temperature sensors ADC channel 1, and then its adjusted value is displayed over here, and then it goes back to sleep. So if I again press this, it will turn itself off, but the backlight is only off, not the LCD screen. So if I turn on the flash and if I move it at a certain angle, you can see that that the LCD is not, can see these bars over here, and if I adjust the so this is, so the LCD is not turned off, only the backlit off. So the LCD is working even in the, is turned on even if the backlight is off. So by pressing the button, we can can just turn on the health backlight on and the updated value gets displayed. So this saves a little bit of power, since this is a pre-made development board. So